Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Last time we talked about how to multiply three-digit numbers by two-digit numbers, and we had a homework, right? I saw that some of you can't solve the homework correctly, so we will solve the homework today together. So get ready. Homework number one was 316 times 14. What is the answer? Let's solve it together. Let's change the color. Okay, let's go. 316 times 14. As you know, you start to multiply the ones, which is 4, by 6. Then 4 times 1. Then 4 times 3. Okay? 4 times 6 equals to 24. So we write 4 here and 2 in the top. And this one we called it regroup the number. Okay? Regroup the number, that means to put numbers in the top. Okay? Great. 4 times 6 equals to 24. So 4 in the answer and 2 in the top. Now, 4 times 1 equals to 4, plus 2 equals to 6. Great. Now, 4 times 3 equals to 12. Great job. Here we multiply the 4. Now I start to multiply the tens, which is what? Great, which is 1. But before we multiply the 1, I put 0 in another line. You forget, guys, to put the 0 here, okay? Before you start to multiply the tens, you put a 0 in a second line. Now I start to multiply. 1 times 6 equals to 6. 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 times 3 equals to 3. Now I add these numbers together. 4 plus 0 equals to 4. 6 plus 6 equals to 12. 12, we put 2 in the answer and 1 in the top. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 4. And 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So the answer here is 4,424. This is the exact number. Okay? This is the exact number. Now, let's solve the other one. 409 multiplied by 14. Again, we see the ones, which is 4. I start to multiply this 4 by 9. 4 times 9 equals to 36. We put 6 here and 3 in the top. Now, 4 times 0. I know that any number multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. So 4 times 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 3 equals to 3. Now, 4 times 4 equals to 16. Great. Now we multiply the tens, which is 1. But before we multiply the tens, we put 0 in a second line. Now 1 times 9 equals to 9. 1 times 0 equals to 0. 1 times 4 equals to 4. Now I add these lines together. 6 plus 0 equals to 6. 3 plus 9 equals to 12. 1 plus 6 plus 0 equals to 7. And 1 plus 4 equals to 5. So the answer is 5,726. And this number also, we call it what? Great job, exact number. Okay? Now, these numbers, which is 316 and 14, if I want you to find the estimated number, how to find the estimated number? I see the first number, which is 316. What is the greatest place value here? 3, right? Now, I see the number to the right to the 3. We have 1. 1 less than 5, so it can't give the 3 anything. I will keep 3, 3, and the other numbers will be 0. Now 14, where's the greatest place value here? The tens, which is 1. I see the number to the right to the 1. It's 4. 4 less than 5. So I will keep 1, 1, and the 4 will be 0. Now we multiply 300 times 10. You multiply the whole numbers. That means 3 times 1 equals to 3. And how many numbers do you have here? 3. So you put 3 with the 3 numbers. So this one we called it what? Estimated. Estimated number. We called it what? Estimated number. So now let's compare between the exact number and the estimated number. 4,424 and 3,000. These numbers close to each other, right? So we say our answer is reasonable. Okay? Our answer is reasonable. Great job. Now the second homework was this one, which is 601 multiplied by 15. This numbers written in a horizontal way. I want you to write it in a vertical way. That means to put the numbers like this. 601 multiplied by 15. Now let's start to multiply. You start to multiply the 5 by the whole number. 5 times 1 equals to 5. 5 times 0 equals to 0. 5 times 6 equals to 30. Great. Now you start to multiply the tens, but before you start to multiply the tens, you put 0 in the second line. Then 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 times 0 equals to 0. 1 times 6 equals to 6. Now you add these lines together. 5 plus 0 equals to 5. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. And finally, 3 plus 6 equals to 9. So the answer will be 9,015. Okay? Great job. The last one. 336 multiplied by 47. Again, you see the ones, which is 7. You multiply 7 times 6. What is 7 times 6? Great job. 42. So we write 2 here and 4 in the top. Now, 7 times 3. 7 times 3 equals to 21. 21 plus 4 equals to 25. Great. So I put 5 here and 2 in the top. Now 7 times 3 equals to 21 plus 2 equals to 23. Okay, great. Now you start to multiply the tens, which is 4. But before we start to multiply the 4, you put 0 in the second line. 4 times 6. We clear these ones, okay? 4 times 6 equals to 24. And 2 in the top. 4 times 3 equals to 12, plus 2 equals to 14. 4 plus 3 equals to 12, plus 1 equals to 13. Now you add these lines together. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Great. And 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and 1. Now, how to read these numbers? You count 1, 2, 3, then put a comma. 1, 2, 3, then put a comma. Now, we read it like this. 15,792. 15,792. Okay? Great job. And the last one now. Now, which was a homework, the last one here. 23 plus 23 plus 20 equals to 3 plus 3 plus 0 equals to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6. So 66. Now, the right side. 1000 minus 80. What is 1000 minus 80? 1000 minus 80. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. 0 minus 8, we can't do it. You go to the ones to be 0, this one will be 10. This 10 will be 9, and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. 9 minus nothing equals to 9. So the answer is 920. You know that any number has 3 digits, it's already greater than any number has 2 digits. So 990 greater than 66. Okay? Clear? Great job. Now go ahead and write the answers in your book. See you soon, guys, with a new lesson. Bye bye.